Good morning, children. Welcome to science class. So, in science, we have completed with block 17, isn't it, children? So, let's start with block 18, which is materials and their forms. Okay, so if you see around us, children, you can see three forms of materials, that is, solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, so which is our first topic, that is, solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, if you see some examples of solids, liquids, and gases, solids are the things like very solid, like chair, bed, eraser, pencil, which are fixed. Okay, magnet, chair, rocks, hammer, guitar, all these are solids. Mostly we can find many solids around us. Okay, coming to liquids, liquids are nothing but water substance, okay, which are water like. Okay, like your milk, tea, coffee, juice, water, lemon juice, anything, soup, all these are liquids. And gases are nothing but the air. Okay, the helium gas, cloud, air inside the balloon, candle fume, steam. When you are heating something, after it boils, the water vapor comes out. That steam or the water vapor is in the gaseous form. Okay, so these are the different materials that we use, that we can see in our surroundings. Okay, children, so let us learn more about these three forms, that is solids, liquids, and gaseous. Okay, so please open your science content book, children, and turn to page number 112, 112. Okay, if you see the properties, children, the properties of solids, liquid, gases. So the solids have a fixed shape. Okay, if you take an eraser and place it somewhere, it has that fixed shape, isn't it? And also the size, the volume is also same. Occupies the same amount of space. Okay, it has a same volume, same shape, and same volume, that is, it has definite correct shape and correct volume. Okay, now coming to liquids, liquids can flow easily. Can you see, children, how the milk is poured into the glass? So it can be flown easily. The water will be flowing. If you spill some water on the ground, then the milk also will be flowing, isn't it? So that's why we can say that liquids can flow easily, and they do not have definite shape, fixed shape. Okay, why, how we can say? So if you take a glass and fill it with water, the water will be taking the shape of the glass. If the same water is poured into a bowl, it will be taking the shape of the bowl, isn't it? If you take a huge vessel and fill it with water, so that water will be taking the shape of the vessel itself. So this does not have fixed shape, but it has the volume, that is, amount of liquid. Whatever the amount of liquid is there, that amount will be the same. The weight of the water, the liters of the water will be the same. Okay, it might be changing the shape, but it has definite volume. That means the same amount of space it occupies. Okay, if you take a big small glass of water and if you try to pour into a big glass, then the water will be the same. The amount will be the amount of glass only. The amount will not change. The shape might be changed. Okay, children, so that is about liquids. Now coming to gases, so these gases can freely move from one place to another. Okay, the gas, the air, you can say. And this air does not have any fixed shape, and also it does not have any fixed volume. Okay, fixed amount of volume. Okay, it takes the shape of the container as liquids. If you want to close, take some gas and close it, then it takes the shape of that container. The air gets molded into the shape of that container, and it also fills the volume of the container. If it is overflowing also, we can't see. Okay, so it does not have fixed amount of space, that is, no fixed volume and no fixed shape. Okay, children. So these are the properties of solids, liquids, and gaseous. Okay, children. So for this topic, I have given few keywords in your daily schedule. Please learn them and write it in your classwork. Along with that, I'll underline the keywords in your content book. Okay, and try to learn if any other word you don't know. When you read, you don't know some words, isn't it, children? So learn those words also with the along with the keywords which I have given in the daily schedule. Okay, so that you will be learning all the keywords which you don't know also. Okay, it will be helpful for your next classes. Okay, so this is about keywords. Coming to your question answers, write one difference between liquids and gases. So liquids do not have fixed shape, but it has fixed volume. That is, the amount of space they occupy is fixed. But for gases, no shape, no amount of space. So that's what you will mention. Difference you need to write. So that means liquids have fixed space, gaseous occupy the entire space of the container. That means they do not have fixed space. Okay, next question. Write one similarity between solids and liquids. So what is the one similarity? Both have same amount of space. Both occupy the same amount of space. Have fixed spaces. Isn't it? So write these two answers in your classwork and please learn it. Coming to your homework, complete the volume book. Children, here volume book you have 2 pages, children. You need to complete S1 and S2. That is S1 in page number 10, exploring materials, that is solid, liquids and gases, and page number 11, S2, solid, liquid and gases properties. Okay, complete the 2 pages, children. Okay, so in the next class we will learn how to change one form of the material to the other form of the material. That means how the solids can be converted into liquid, and liquid can be converted into gases, and gases can be converted into solids or liquids. So all this we will learn in the next topic. Okay, in the next class. Okay, so see you in the next class. Bye.